Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you been trying to find specific files on your computer only to realize they've been permanently deleted? In this video, I will show you how it's still possible to recover deleted or lost files from your Windows PC using two effective solutions. Let's go. For permanently deleted files, you can still use Windows File Recovery to restore them, even if they're no longer in the recycle bin or you don't have a copy of their previous version. If you don't have it installed yet, open the Microsoft Store and search for Windows File Recovery. This is a command line app specifically designed to recover files that have been deleted from your local storage, including internal and external drives or USB devices. To use this program, you must be familiar with the command line syntax for recovering files. For reference, see the usage guide in the command line panel for the syntax format. Windows File Recovery has two modes. Regular is a standard recovery option that is best used when you want to recover a file that hasn't been deleted for a long time, while the extensive mode is a more thorough recovery scan that is suitable for all file types. Note that this mode may take longer to scan. If one doesn't work, switch to the other mode and vice versa. Then follow the example usage guide when typing your command. Finally, make sure that the source and destination drives are different to avoid conflicts with the recovery process. To demonstrate, press Shift and Delete keys at the same time to permanently delete files from your computer. Next, enter the syntax exactly as I typed the following command: winfr space c colon space e colon space /regular space /n space word files **docx, where C is the source drive, E is the destination folder, which is a USB device to be exact, and Word files is the folder name where your files have been permanently deleted. You can use a wildcard and specify a file extension to optimize the scan. Don't include any if you want to keep the recovery range as wide as possible. When the syntax is ready, hit Enter and type in Y to start the scan. The program automatically creates a recovery folder on the specified destination drive. Once the scan is complete, your deleted files should be recovered and stored in this folder. Using a special data recovery tool makes it easy to get your lost files back without needing to be a tech expert. I've tried a lot of recovery software, but this one here was, in my tests, is the most effective at bringing lost files back. It can recover nearly any type of files like documents, photos, videos, and more from different storage devices such as hard drives, USB drives, or memory cards, even if they were deleted, formatted, lost due to system crashes or viruses and other situations. So, if you need to get your files back, click the link below to download this tool to get 2 GB of free data recovery when you install it for the first time. Once you've installed the software, you'll see the main screen where you can choose the specific drive, folder, USB drive, or even the recycle bin where your missing files were stored. Next, click Search for Lost Data to let the software thoroughly scan the chosen storage to find deleted, hidden, or badly damaged files. Keep in mind that how long the scan takes will depend on how big your storage device is and how fast it works. If you find the files you're looking for early, you can stop the scan at any time. After the scan is finished, the software neatly organizes all recoverable files into 2 easy-to-navigate sections: Path and Type. Choose the Path option if you remember exactly where your lost files were originally saved, or go to the Type section to look through the recovered data based on file types like photos, videos, and documents instead. In case the software finds a lot of files, you can use the search bar to quickly find a specific data by keywords, or click Filter to narrow down your search by file type, date modified, or file size. Once you've found your files, just tick the checkboxes next to them, or click the top checkbox to select everything at once. Finally, click the Recover button. Make sure to save the recovered files somewhere different from where they were lost, so you don't accidentally overwrite other data. Remember, Scanning and previewing files is completely free, but recovering them to your computer requires a premium subscription. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.